Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing these beautiful neon pink holographic nails with this Elite 99 holographic powder. This is how the powder looks in the container, nothing really special. I just love the effect it gives and I've found the perfect pink colour, well for me anyway. So it's this one by UKIYO, I think you pronounce it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a base coat on all of my nails. Underneath the base coat I've actually got some Elite 99 Poly Gel, which I haven't used before. I think I've had it on for 2 weeks, so that is another video that I'm going to be doing in the future. Just showing how to use that and what my thoughts were. But I have had it on for 2 weeks and I've had no lifting or anything like that, so I do really like it. It's a lot easier to use, I think, than normal gel. So that is a video that will be coming up soon. So after this base coat has been applied, you just need to put that in your lamp for 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Then I go straight on with my gel polish. I'm showing you putting 2 coats on here, but I actually used 3 because I wanted that colour to be really strong and really bright. If you wanted to do, a lot of people at the moment are doing jelly nails. If you just put 1 coat of this on, I think that would look really good for jelly nails. But as I wanted it under the holographic powder, I wanted that colour to be super opaque and bright. So each coat of that gel polish needs to be cured for 30 seconds. I've got a hybrid UV LED lamp, so I put it on for 30 seconds. You might need a minute in a UV or maybe 2 minutes. Just check what it says on your particular lamp or your gel polish. So after that gel polish has been cured, I go in with a no wipe top coat. That's what you need when you're using these holographic powders. And I only cure it for 30 seconds in my hybrid lamp. I'm not sure how long you'd need in a UV lamp, but I find that if you cure it for any longer than 30 seconds, the powder, it's quite difficult to rub it into that no wipe top coat. So after that no wipe top coat is cured, it's time to go in with the powder. I'm just using this eyeshadow applicator and I'm just pressing the powder down, patting it really gently on first before I start rubbing it in. I find that this way I don't put too much on, because if you do put too much of the powder on, you end up with it just being so opaque that you can't see the colour through it underneath, and I want it really pink, so I make sure that I only put just enough on, so I still get that look. The camera doesn't show how bright the neon is. If you see on the picture from the thumbnail, or there's a video right at the end of this video, a short clip that shows it under an LED light, and that shows just how bright it really is. But on camera it looks a lot lighter than it actually is in person. Okay, so after I've dusted a little bit with a brush just to get all that excess powder off, I go in with my top coat and I use a tempered top coat. I find that if you cure this for a full minute, it's a lot harder to rub any pigment into, which is what I want, because when I'm messing around with the powders and things, I don't want to ruin this design after I've done it, so I don't want any pigments rubbing into it by accident, which you can do if you just top coat with a normal no wipe top coat. I've done that a few times and I've spoilt my design when I've only just put it on, so I've not been very impressed with that. So you still have to be careful around your pigments and things, because it can still rub in, but it's you've got a lot less chance of ruining your design if you do it this way. So that needs curing, as I said, for a full minute or longer if you want to, just to seal all that holographic powder in. Some people do stamp straight over the powder, but I like to make sure I put this top coat on, just so that if I do the stamping wrong and I want to redo it, I can just wipe it off and I'm not wiping the powder off as well. So here I am doing the stamp. I'm sorry for this part, it's a bit blurry, the camera wasn't focused for some reason, but as soon as I've got that stamp on and I'm putting it on my nail, you can see it a lot better. So I tried stamping a few different designs and a few different colours, but the best one I found was this design, and I used it pink over pink. I tried it with white and it just overpowered the holo, and we don't want that. I want to see the holo through it. I want to see as much holo as possible. And then, so to protect that, after I've cleaned it up, I just put a tempered top coat on, which is my favourite because it tends to not mess up my designs after. If I cure the tempered top coat for a full minute, and the pigment doesn't seem to rub into it as easily, so there's less chance of me spoiling it. And I wouldn't want to spoil this because I love it so much. If you look at the video clip right at the end, you'll see the true colour. You can't see it on camera, it doesn't look as bright as it actually is under an LED lamp. So I'll show you that in a minute. I really hope you like this design as much as I do. If you like it, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. There is that beautiful pink colour. It really is worth it, this powder. It is beautiful. See you next time.